LED shop light, illuminate your life. Don't threaten me with a good time. Let's check her out. I could not have cut that open worse if I tried. Now, what do we got here? Oh, we got some instructions. Okay, some chain to mount it, some drywall anchors, some screws, some hooks. Yeah, they give you like every possible way to mount these things you could think of. There we go. We got some brackets. Actually, let's look at these first. The bracket is really a very important part, and sometimes they give you, oh, these are metal. Those are actually a nice looking bracket right there. Huh. All right. Or these kind of flippy dippy hooks. Okay. Got a couple thumb screws. I'm excited. We have multiple mounting options here. It's a good day. Oh man, I like this already. Let me tell you why. This is super thin. Look at this. All these LEDs, how many are there? You can count them. I won't. There's a lot of LEDs here. Look at how thin this is in low profile. And then a plug-in on the back, because you get 2 in this pack. And you can daisy chain these together. So each cord's 9 foot. It's got like an on-off switch on it. There we go. Yeah, this is the ticket here. So you can do this with the bracket. And then if you want, you can just screw this into the wall, then you can aim it. Which is, I think, what we're going to do. The other way you could do it is you could take these guys and whippy clip them through there. Whoops. If you're doing like a ceiling mount, you want to hang them by chains. Really easy way to do it. Yes, aluminum body. So it's light, but it dissipates heat pretty nice, I'll betcha. And I think this is 15,000 lumens at 100 watts. I mean, this thing is going to pump out some lights. Yeah, let's go. I got a spot to install this thing. This is really nice for like temporary installs where you don't have all your lights run yet, or you could use it permanently, I guess. But yeah, let's go try it out. Nice long cord, so we should be able to reach where we need to. Okay, so here's the situation. I'm trying to get this garage swamped out. It's full of junk. It's pretty dark in here. I have 4 stinking floodlights, and it's still kind of pitch black over here. You can't really see what's going on. It is way brighter with these lights in here. So this one I've got pointed down at this workbench so I can kind of get this cleared out, swamped out. This floor, this thing's lighting up the whole floor. I can re-aim it so I can look in this disaster in here. I just got to get everything cleaned out, and I can keep moving these lights all over the place so I can see what I'm stinking doing so I'm not tripping all over. And this light that I have on the wall, I could turn it up and I can kind of see what's going on over here now. So just, I don't know. They're good for temporary lights or for permanent use. Like I could keep this light up here just to work on this bench top, which this bench top has been, you know, swamped out. And even without the overhead lights on, it is still remarkably bright in here. So imagine having 4 of these lights in here. It would light this whole space up. And again, you don't have to be an electrician. You can just plug these into a regular outlet. So really handy.